I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you're signed into the exact Amazon account tied to Prime Video. That prevents account mix-ups. Once signed in, locate the gift card code, scratch off or emailed, so it's ready to paste. Next, open Prime Video in your browser or app while staying logged into Amazon. This ensures balances and subscriptions align. Make sure any active Prime membership is on the same profile. Because gift card credit applies to your Amazon balance, now redeem the card to convert its value into your Amazon balance. Go to Accounts and Lists, choose Gift Cards, then redeem a gift card, enter the code exactly as shown and click Apply. You'll see the balance adjust immediately in most cases, but sometimes it takes a few minutes to propagate to Prime Video. Once the balance is visible, Prime Video will draw from it for rentals, purchases, and subscription add-ons. If you need to buy content, select Pay with Amazon Balance at checkout. Choose the title you want and decide whether to rent or buy. Pick the desired video quality because costs vary. At checkout, ensure payment is set to Amazon Balance so the gift card funds are used. If you're purchasing a subscription add-on, check it accepts balance payments. After confirming, your video becomes available under your video library. If the balance doesn't apply, sign out and back in, clear app cache, or contact Amazon support. These steps resolve most syncing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.